Cleaning out your dryer vent will not only extend the life of your dryer, but it will dry your clothes better and potentially help you save energy costs in the future. Let's take a look at the top 6 dryer vent cleaning kits on the market. Number 1, Best Overall. Holikme 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit. When it comes to the best dryer vent cleaning kit, nothing beats the Holikme 30-foot dryer cleaning brush. It's easy to use and highly effective. The Holikme dryer cleaning brush can be used with or without a power drill. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions. The brush handle can be extended up to 30 feet due to its 15-piece flexible rod system, and it includes a high-quality synthetic brush head. Many consumers report using it manually to remove lint buildup. You can run it either from inside or outside towards the dryer. Number 2. Holikme 2-Pack Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit. The Holikme 2-Pack Vent Cleaner Kit offers a simple solution to your dryer vent cleaning needs for under $20. It also proves handy for reaching tough-to-clean corners where cobwebs and dust tend to collect. The 2-brush system cleans dust and pet hair from appliances and furniture, making this a fantastic multi-purpose set of tools. The extra long brush cleans your dryer's trapped lint, but it also proves convenient for getting into other hard-to-reach spots such as the coils behind your refrigerator. All told, their strong and adaptable design makes them a great addition to your household cleaning toolkit. Number 3. Sealegend Vacuum Hose Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit. For under $10, you'll enjoy fabulous results with the Sealegend Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. It effectively removes lint that has built up over the years. The Sealegend relies on the sucking power of your vacuum to clean out your dryer line. To do so, it has a 33-inch long flexible vacuum hose attachment that makes deep access to difficult places a breeze. The attachment proves effective when it comes to cleaning appliances that you cannot move. When used regularly, it will help you clean your dryer vent and prevent the type of spark. Number 4. Gardus RLE202 LintEater Rotary Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit. What's another fantastic option for keeping your dryer lint-free? The RLE202 LintEater Rotary Dryer Vent Cleaning System by Gardus. It proves easy to use with a cordless drill and offers professional quality results. After all, it ensures the safe operation of their clothes dryer, reduces drying times, and leads to savings on utility bills and dryer maintenance. The kit includes 4 3-foot-long flexible screw connect rods, 1 blockage removal tool, a vacuum adapter, and a 4-inch self-feeding auger brush. Number 5. Deflecto DV Brush 12K 6 Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit. The Deflecto Dryer Duct Cleaning Kit comes with a synthetic 4-inch brush head, 6 rods that extend to 12 feet when clipped together, and is cheaper than its competitor, the Marytown Dryer Duct Cleaning Kit. You can attach the Deflecto dryer cleaning rod to a power drill to make it easier to clean the vent more quickly, but you don't need to have a drill to use the brush. The product is a cheap solution, making it simple for users to reach deep into the ductwork, otherwise impossible to do, keeping them cleaner than ever before. Number 6. Smart House Inc. Innovative Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit. So easy to connect, the Smart House Inc. Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit is easy to use and easy to set up. You simply connect the brush to a drill and connect this to a rod clockwise and you are ready to clean out your vent pipes. This kit will enable you to clean out your dryer and get rid of any trapped lint so you can reduce the risk of any house fires. You can easily remove lint, dust, and debris with this efficient kit, as these rods extend to up to 30 feet for the ultimate vent cleaning system. Properly maintaining and cleaning your clothes dryer is essential to avoiding house fires.
Thanks for watching the video.